All right, Erin Myler is back with your full forecast, and I know we had a great day today, but we have a lot of districts sending little ones back to school tomorrow, and it sounds like it's going to be a rainy morning at the bus stop.
Yeah, it's going to be a rain jacket kind of day. Or like not one of those tiny little umbrellas, but like
the big one.
The big ones.
Okay, good to know.
Yeah, we're going to be getting some rain back out there. Luckily, it'll probably come late enough for most of them where they can avoid it depending on where you live, but we do have rain in the way here. Before we get there, everybody, hey, how's it going? Right now we have some clouds that have continued to dissipate here as we've gone through the last several hours, which we're all okay with. Getting a lot of sunshine out right now, but this is slowly inching its way towards us. So all these clouds are going to start to make their way in, and we're going to see everything increasing a bit more here. The rain tomorrow is coming from this low pressure system that's going to sit over the area. As that does, it's going to make its way through, give us a day of some rain, and then we're going to get high pressure back in the forecast. Now you'll notice as this moves across, first it's going to be bringing us sunshine, pulling in cooler air from the north, so we're going to see it stay a little below average as far as your temps are concerned. But as that moves off the coast to our east, it's actually going to help bring in warmer air from the south, and that's going to heat us up. So just depending on where it's at, depends on what we're getting. But the whole time, sunshine still staying in the forecast. As we build through your day and overnight into tomorrow morning, clouds build back into the forecast. Some showers starting early in the morning. These are probably going to inch up just a bit more for some along the coastline, getting a little bit of rain, but the bulk of it's going to wait until a little bit later in your morning. We're going to have some showers continuing to roll through, some downpours within there, so there will be heavy rain at times, and you could see some localized flooding as this continues to move through. That'll make its way through and move eastward by the time we get into the afternoon, and by sunset, still looking at a few showers here and there, but you can see they're a lot more scattered, but some of these are still a bit heavier, so you can still get some rain, but it's not going to be the same consistent downpours that you'll see earlier in the day. From there, it all kind of moves out of the way. The clouds move off to our east, and that leaves a lot of sunshine back in the forecast for Thursday, and this is going to kind of be the story here as we head through much of your week ahead. High temperatures, like I said, they're going to cool off for a little bit here, getting down into the low 70s for Thursday, and then as that high moves, it's going to inch up, and we're going to see those temperatures really creeping up a whole lot more, getting into the 80s. So we're getting into fall technically because it's going to be that time of year, but it will still feel like summer here as we start off. We're going to see the humidity high tomorrow, but that's just because it's going to be raining, and that really drops off here as we head into Thursday. Friday still starts to inch up a bit more, but still pretty good. So we're going to have a pretty good temperatures, pretty good everything coming up in the weather department after we get through tomorrow. Even worse off for other people, Hurricane Franklin now downgraded to a Category 3 hurricane as wind speeds are now below 130, so 125 means it's a Cat 3 hurricane, but a strong one at that, as it continues to move through past Bermuda and continues to move into cooler water and fall apart as it does so, and just continues to weaken. Now the other one, Hurricane Idalia, is going to be making its way and making landfall in Florida here tomorrow, likely as a Category 3 hurricane. This is going to cause a lot of issues for those in the south, especially along the Panhandle and the western coastline as it moves through and the storm surge brings the waters up. A lot different here for our coastal forecast and for marine forecast. Seas 2 to 6 feet for your day tomorrow. Winds with gusts up to and over 20 knots in the water. Water temperature currently around 66 degrees, so not too bad. Here's the forecast for tomorrow, just that rain that we were talking about. I'm going to let you guys just look at the rest and just soak that in. That's our last unofficial week of summer. It's going to be a pretty awesome one with lots of sunshine. Temperatures do cool off, but they'll start to warm up here as we go through the week. Less humidity. It's just going to be a really awesome stretch, you guys.
Wow.
So get through the day tomorrow, and then
August feeling like August.
yeah, let's go with it.
Who would have thought? With days to spare. Thanks, Erin.